Hi guys, and happy new year once again. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I want to show you how you can do a water based spray perfume. Okay, this year you must do something. All right, let me show you how I get this done. First thing you will need on this production is your ethanol. You are using 200 ml of ethanol. Now you add in your menthol, half tablespoon. You mix very well. Menthol can only dissolve in ethanol, not water. Okay, so before you dissolve, I want to tell you why we are using menthol in this production. Have you ever sprayed perfume and you have this cooling effect and you have this calm feeling on your skin? That is menthol for you. So we want a perfume or body spray that you are going to have a cool effect at the end of the day. All right, so you have to mix thoroughly. It takes a while to combine, so don't worry, just mix it very well, and when it is fully combined, you add in your water. What we're doing is 60 ml of water. Don't forget, we are doing a water based perfume. Now you add your glycerin. Glycerin acts as a binder in this production. It helps to bind the water, the menthol, and the ethanol. All right, so that it doesn't break out when you add in your perfume. It will settle and mix very well. That is why we are needing glycerin here. I want to have a mixed fruit fragrance. All right, so I mix 4 different types of fruits fragrance on this production. Do well to do any fragrance of your choice. There are so many fragrance in the market. All right, don't forget we are doing a water base, so you don't need oil perfume on this production. All right, so if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and drop your comments. What do you want us to teach next time? Don't worry, I will do justice to as many as you want to learn. You get your spray bottle, whatever it is you have at home that you can use to spray it. Good and fine, get it available, and turn in your production into your spray bottle. You can allow it for like some days. All right, so they will understand themselves so well. Voila, your fragrance is ready. All right,